everybody. We're getting a nice little shower here today. This is Shooting Star. Thank you for watching my video. You can see we're getting a nice shower. And it's cooling it off too. Okay. Well, that was a nice shower while it lasted. Just thought I'd take a little time here and just go through some of the surroundings around here. And let you catch a glimpse of some of the outdoor area here at the Municipal Art Gallery where I work. Yeah, that was a nice rain that we got just now, and it really cooled it off, and feels nice outside right now. We have been having some really hot weather here. Anyway, this rain came along here and it really cooled it down. But I know it won't last. It's the month of August, and one thing it does here in Mississippi in the month of August is it gets hot. Very hot. But that's okay. We'll take what we can get when it comes to the rain. Always glad to see it this time of year. Well, it didn't rain very long, so anyway, it's, I think, still sprinkling a little bit, but it's just about all over with now. So anyway, just thought I'd share the little rainstorm we had here with you. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much, and have a great day.